Hi. I just want to take you through some of the topics that we'll be covering as a part of the Wi-Fi 6 Masterclass that we will be starting soon through Wi-Fi Now Academy. I just thought I'll give you a glimpse into those classes. My name is Shrikant and I'm with NanoCell Networks. So these are some of the topics which I'll cover over 2 days of 3 hours each so that you can allocate the time. So we'll start with where Wi-Fi 6 is relative to the other standards, sort of the technology roadmap of the whole Wi-Fi ecosystem. And that'll give us the context for why people are looking forward to Wi-Fi 6 and so on. Then we'll jump into some key radio technologies which people have been talking about. And here I'll also compare and contrast them, motivate them, also use real life traces so that one can get to see them in action with the real life equipment that we have. Okay, and we'll put them to some example using some transmission and reception from AP to multiple users. Then I'll also outline some of the concepts which maybe right now are not so prevalent in practice, but I'm expecting that they'll make a sort of impact sometime down the road, which is spatial reuse and TWT for longer sleep times. And I think I'll also add a lot of real life insights into what I think about challenges for making Wi-Fi 6 work the way as far as real life products are concerned. It's one thing maybe to talk about the technologies, but it's also useful to kind of know what are some challenges for the say the access point side, the client side, people who might be deploying and expecting something out of it. I think we need to know what might actually happen out there in the real life. And as I said, you want to plan it in such a way that we have 3 hours each on a couple of days where I'll cover, these topics on day one, more biased towards the core radio side, OFDMA, multi-user MIMO, etc. And on day two, I'll take over and look at some of the protocol aspects and then look at the backdrop of where the products are and so on. Okay. And for people who are attending the course, you will get access to all the material and handouts. You'll also have access to the recording. We'll also do a lot of quizzes so that it'll help us recap. As I said, I'll try and even give you some exercises on real life traces. And you're always allowed a lot of question and answer time during class and post class. So I hope I've given you a glimpse into what the master class will be about. So I hope I can see some of you after the class. Thank you.